Welcome to Beard's Auto Sales. This is our 2016 Kia Soul. This is a clean Carfax vehicle, no accidents, no damage. Infinity sound, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cloth seats, step inside. We have navigation, AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, backup cameras, all your steering wheel controls, cruise control, Bluetooth, radio volume. Super low mileage car, 57,876 miles. Here's your key fob. And this one comes with all of the Kia books. So that's about it. Come check it out. 1008 South 1st Street, Milan, Tennessee, 38358. Give us a call at 731-686-7399. Don't forget to ask us about our lifetime powertrain warranty. Beard's Auto Sales. Check with us first.